Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 3 class. How are you students? I hope you are all set and doing great in your study. Keep it on students. And I'm your teacher Miss Parveen. This is the lecture number 9 of your second semester. Students, as you know that in previous lecture we have discussed about the word synonyms of this chapter and also a reading. I hope you have understood that lecture, and now we will read the remaining part of this chapter, page number 61. Students, in previous lecture we have learned that Sammy calls his friends to push the glider, and now we will learn that what will happen in the next. So let's start reading. Hurrah! Shouted Sammy, and the boys. Well done! Shouted all the people looking on. Uncle Slim didn't shout. His face was white with fear. The glider was going higher and higher. Below him he could see the town and the river and the road curving away towards the city. He pushed a loop of string down and the glider started to turn. He pushed the other loop down and it started to turn the other way. These strings work well, said Uncle Salim out loud. And I am becoming quite a good pilot, said Uncle Salim. Uncle Salim pushed down his left foot again, but nothing happened. He looked down and noticed that the string had broken. Oh my goodness, he said to himself. Now what shall I do? The glider was rushing along at great speed. Ahead of him, hundreds of feet below, he could see the first houses of the city. The glider rushed on and on. It's mean high and high. Come to the next. I wonder if I can mend that string, said Uncle Salim. To himself, he leant over and tried to catch the end of the string. But suddenly the whole glider tilted over on its side. Uncle Salim fell off his seat and just managed to catch onto it with one hand. He shrieked aloud, "Help! Help!" But there was nobody to help him. Slowly and painfully, Uncle Salim pulled himself up towards the machine. When he looked down, he found that the weight of his body had pulled the machine forward and it was now heading towards the ground. Uncle Slim caught hold of the bamboo stick, but the glider started to go round and round in circles, getting lower and lower. Oh dear, shrieked Uncle Slim. What will happen to me now? Come to the next. Down it went and Uncle Slim looked below him. He could see a huge lake. The glider was still going round in circles, lower and lower and lower, when suddenly crash. Crash is the sound. It means something falls in water. The glider hit a tree and Uncle Slim shot high into the air like a bullet from a gun. He landed with a tremendous splash in the lake. Luckily, he could swim and he managed to reach the bank. Bank mean kinara. Later that night, Sammy and his parents waited in the house for news of Uncle Salim. Suddenly there was a knock on the door. Sammy got up slowly and went to open it. There was Uncle Salim standing on the doorstep and smiling. Uncle Slim, he shouted, means Sammy shouted. His mother and father came running out. You are safe? They cried. Yes, said Uncle Slim, but only just and I shall never go in another flying machine for the rest of my life. This is the reading of this chapter, students. I hope you have no confusion in this reading. If you have any confusion about any word, any topic, you can ask from me. Take care of yourself, students. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.